Hi guys, welcome. This is the MR2 Roadster I bought. Got a snip under £1,000, mega miles on the clock, but I'm looking at probably doing the engine change for that 190 brake horsepower jobby to liven it up. So that'd be one of the mods. I've just put the 17-inch mini wheels on it in a nice matte black. Handling's great on it. It's just like a little go-kart. It's a fantastic little car. And I think one of the other little mods I'll probably do is maybe decat and do a twin exhaust on the back, and maybe treat it to a new set of brakes, drilled and grooved or vented, because obviously a bit more power, going to need to upgrade some other parts. So but yeah, fun little toy. Got the red leather, black, so 6-speed gearbox, great little car. I mean, under £1,000 you can't go wrong. Even in bits it's worth more than that, so have some fun with it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.